Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Rock Hill is a landmark property in Silver Sands, sitting on two lots spanning over half an acre. With 8,000 square feet of living space, this villa features 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom, staff accommodation, two pools, a fully equipped gym, standby generator, reserve water tank, several outdoor living spaces, and an expansive deck boasting amazing panoramic views. Rock Hill is being offered with all interior and exterior furnishing and decor and truly represent an opulent turnkey investment. Guys, it's time to see this property. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $1,995,000 or Jamaican $307 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.